Hey guys, this is a great way to preserve a lot of your peppers and onions and things like that. This is called green seasoning, or this is what we call it in the Caribbean, green seasoning. And it's used to season your meat, your fish, anything that you'd normally put onions and garlic and peppers in, you can use this to season with. And I'm gonna show you guys how we made this. Hey Mom.
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm making some seasoning.
Making seasoning?
Yes, so you can season your meat when you're ready to cook. It's all made, already made.
All right, cool. So we've got, this is a great way to use up a lot of the extra stuff that you have around. So we've got garlic here, we've got celery, we've got onions. I think we put, what else do you put in here?
Garlic, celery, thyme.
Thyme, got Cuban oregano. Yeah, so this is a great way to use up a lot of the stuff that you have that's extra.
And peppers. Or any other kind of peppers.
Any kind of peppers?
Sweet pepper.
Sweet peppers, hot peppers?
Hot peppers.
Okay, cool. And we're gonna put this in the blender, so stay tuned guys. We're gonna put it in the blender, we're gonna make a cool season that you can use on your meat. And it's a great way to preserve all the extra onions and garlic and stuff that you grow, because I know you guys are producing tons of stuff, all right? Now, just put it in jars, and this will keep in the fridge for months, maybe even years. Yeah, and you can just use it to season anything from fish to meat, anything that you eat that you would normally season with onion and garlic. You can use this seasoning.